हेलो गाइस। अगर आप रेविट और बीम में एक्सपर्ट बनना चाहते हो तो मैंने एक स्पेशल कोर्स डिजाइन किया है, बीम रेविट मास्टरी कोर्स। इस कोर्स में आपको मिलेंगे कंप्लीट रेविट प्लस बीम पैकेज, स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइडेंस, प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट चैलेंजेस, वन ऑन वन मेंटरशिप और फुल कैरियर रोड मैप, सब कुछ एक अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में। ये कोर्स स्पेशली उन लोगों के लिए है जो अपनी जॉब या स्टडी के साथ रेविट सीखना चाहते हैं बिना किसी इंस्टीट्यूट ज्वाइन किए। हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू बीम शिक्षा एंड मैं अभी एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहा हूँ द बीम रेविट मास्टरी कोर्स ट्रांसफॉर्म योर कैरियर विद कटिंग एज बीम स्किल। You have made an amazing decision by being here. This is going to be a game changer for your career. Hi, I am Bhuvan Goswami, BEAM specialist and BEAM trainer, founder of BEAM Shiksha. I have 20 plus years of experience in the AC industry, including 12 plus years specializing in BEAM project and solutions. I have trained and helped over 3,000 architects and engineers successfully lead multiple BEAM projects and receive industry recognition for my work. As a trusted BIM trainer and specialist, I have successfully trained the staff of leading architecture firms and global MNCs, empowering them with the latest BIM software skills and workflow to drive project success and efficiency. My mission to help 10,000 architecture and engineering students and professionals master BIM and Revit in the next 5 years, enhancing their skill to unlock job opportunities, earn promotions, and achieve career growth. This course is for aspiring architects and engineers, professionals already working in the AC industry, project managers, and team leaders. The BIM Revit Mastery course designed to help you overcome industry challenges. What is the BIM Revit Mastery course? This is not just a course, it's your pathway to transforming your career and mastering BIM expertise. You can build skill, boost confidence, and unlock new job opportunities. The BIM Revit Mastery course specially designed for architecture and engineering students and professionals who want to master in BIM and Revit, all without disturbing your current job, study, or needing to attend traditional classes. Upgrade your BIM skill and secure better job opportunity. Why join the BIM Revit Mastery course? Flexible learning at your own pace. Online module available anytime, anywhere with 50 plus live classes. Lifetime access ensure you stay updated with the latest Revit skill. Receive ongoing support whenever you need it. Perfect for working professionals and students. The BIM Revit Mastery course overview. The Revit Mastery course has clear modules that take you from beginner to expert, covering all you need to know to succeed in Revit and BIM. 3 to 3.5 month course duration, 50 plus live sessions, weekdays batch Monday to Thursday, evening batch 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and weekend batch Saturday evening 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. and Sunday morning 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Q&A and task discussion session every Friday 9:15 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Here a quick overview of the course structure. Beginner to advanced training, real world project based learning, BIM concept and workflows, detailed topic covered modeling, annotation tool families, view and sheets, rendering, collaboration tools, advanced feature covered phasing and design option, view templates and filter, advanced scheduling and quantity takeoffs, clash detection and detailed clashing report including solved clashes in Navisworks, software customization, setting up templates, parameters, and creating libraries for efficient workflow. Industry standard and best practice training on following client standard and maintain high quality at deliverables. Live classes, live support and Q&A session, assignment and feedback, Autodesk certificate of completion, career guidance. This is not only course, this is your growth package. I have designed this course to address the most pressing challenges you are facing. Here what you get when you enroll the BIM Revit Mastery course. You will get Revit Architecture Beginner to Intermediate level course, Revit Architecture Intermediate to Advanced level course, BIM Mastery Pro, the ultimate blueprint, Revit Plugin Mastery, PyRevit and Dairoot, Revit Family Mastery, Parametric Family for Beginner, ACCN BIM 360 Mastery, Navisworks Manage Essential Tools and Clash Detection, Scan to BIM Modeling, Reality Capture to BIM, and Revit Tips and Trick Boost Your Efficiency, ongoing live batches. You can attend in a year 1+2 times for my live benches, and Ask and Achieve Live Desk, Revit All Category Family Libraries, and certificate of completion by Autodesk. Let's take your skill to the next level. Exclusive bonuses for early bird action taker, limited time offer, Bluebeam Essential Streamline QC and Markup course, Dynamo 10 pre-built script and how to run and use course, Portfolio Creation Design Professional Showcase, LinkedIn Profile Optimization course, BIM Shiksha Community Membership, and 10 BIM Q&As for successful job interview, and Basic Vastu for architecture design. So this is exclusive bonuses for early bird limited time offer. Guys, you will get all core courses plus early bird exclusive bonuses inside the BIM Revit Mastery program. Here you get special discount affordable pricing on the complete BIM Revit Mastery course. You can attend my free webinar to learn more, and you can book your one-to-one appointment through the link below. I will personally connect with you to explain all course details, available offers, special discount. So guys, don't miss out. This special early bird offer is available for a limited time only. Take action now and secure your discounted spot today. Click the link in the description to book your slot for the free webinar, or connect with me personally by booking one-to-one session. Book through the link in the description. Let's start your BIM journey together and take your career to the next level. This is link in the description for the free webinar and link in the description for book one-to-one session. Guys, you will get the full core package plus all the early bird bonus courses with the BIM Revit Mastery program. Thank you guys. Looking forward to seeing you inside the BIM Revit Mastery course. Thank you so much guys.